how to log into Spotify application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into Spotify app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into the Spotify application, all you have to do is just go ahead and make sure you've downloaded our updated Spotify app to the latest version. You can do this by heading to your respective app store, in the search box typing Spotify and going ahead and simply either downloading or updating the Spotify app. Now once you've done that, all you need to do is just open the Spotify application. It will take you to this page by default, where you can simply sign up using your free account, or you can simply create a new account, or you can continue with Google, Facebook if your account is linked with those, and then just need to tap on the login option from the bottom, and then over here it'll ask you for your email or username, right? So all you have to do is just make sure to enter the email address or the username of your Spotify account. Then make sure to go ahead and also enter your password. So let me go ahead and do that as well. Then once you enter your password, if you're not sure what you've typed in, you can tap on the I icon here, then just tap on the login button, and then you'll notice that we will be automatically logged in to our Spotify account. This is it on how you can log into Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.